Hi, in front of me is Poco X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one again. You can also just go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. Then click on Brightness Level and tap on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness feature to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!